Hello everyone. So about a year ago, or a little over a year ago, my dad had heart surgery. And while he's in the hospital, one thing that he was told overwhelmingly by all the staff in there, doctors, cardiologists, nurses, everyone, is that he needed to cut down on your salt. Cut down on your salt. Cut down your salt. Cut down on your salt. They told him over and over. I mean, they beat it into him. You need to cut down on your salt. Yes, they said a little bit of salt is necessary to maintain your electrolyte level or something like that. But an excessive amount of salt is absolutely horrible for your heart. And so that's what he did. He got out of the hospital and he completely changed his diet. And particularly, he cut down dramatically on his salt intake. And one of the things that helped us do that is we got products that either had less salt or virtually no salt in them. One of which is this low sodium soy sauce. Now, it claims on the bottle that it has 50% less sodium than a standard soy sauce, but it's still a lot of salt in this soy sauce. But exactly how much, right? Okay, well on the back, I know it's hard to see because it's kind of blurry, but it says there's 0.45 grams of sodium salt in each serving, and a serving size is 1 tablespoon. Okay, now before I go on, I'm going to expose this company, this Love You company. Yeah, they love you, trying to kill you with salt. I'm going to expose them for their attempt at trickery, okay? Okay, on the back, like I just said, they wrote that there's 0.45 grams of salt per serving. Okay? The trickery part is that in virtually every product that you buy in the United States, on the sodium content on the nutrition label, it's always written in milligrams, always. So why did this company decide to write it in grams instead of milligrams? Well, look at this. Okay, 0.45 grams is equivalent to 450 milligrams. So while yes, this is a low sodium soy sauce and it does have less salt than your standard soy sauce, they attempted to make it seem even less by using a smaller number. For example, say you picked up a bottle of whatever it is and you saw 450 as opposed to 45. Just psychologically, it would seem like more because it's a bigger number. So they try to use this smaller number to make it seem as if there's less salt. And it's not. 0.45 grams, 450 milligrams, same exact thing, still a lot of salt. So we're smarter than that though, so we're not going to let them trick us. Anyhow, the question still remains is how much is 450 milligrams or 0.45 grams? How much salt is that? Well, to put it into perspective, I'm going to compare it to this bottle of Tabasco hot sauce. Tabasco is a pretty popular brand of hot sauce in the United States. I don't know if they sell it internationally. You guys could let me know that. Anyhow, so let's find out how much salt is in this entire bottle of Tabasco, okay? So there's 35 milligrams, I told you, everyone uses milligrams on the sodium. There's 35 milligrams of salt in the Tabasco per serving, and there is, let's see, how many servings does it say? 30 servings. There's 30 servings. So 35 times 30, 5 times 0, 15, 9, 10. There's 1,050 milligrams of salt in this entire bottle, if it was full, in this entire bottle of Tabasco, okay? And remember, as we said, there's 450 milligrams of salt in just one serving. So in only about, okay, 2 servings, okay, so 1 serving is 450 times 2, that's, what is that, 10, 900. So 1,050 milligrams salt in whole bottle of Tabasco, I spelled Tabasco, T-A-B-A-S-C-O, and there is 900 milligrams salt equals 2 servings of, mind you, low sodium. Low sodium. How do you spell sodium? S-O-D-I-U-M? Low sodium soy sauce. Soy sauce. 2 servings. 2 servings. Oh, let's see. Just to put this even in more perspective, let's see what a serving is of the soy sauce. Okay, the serving size is 1 tablespoon. Let's go get a tablespoon. Right here. This is 1 U.S. tablespoon. Let's find something to. We're gonna put. Let's get a bowl. Okay. 1, 2. Let's put a little bit more to make it because remember it's only 900. Let's do about. This is about 2.5 tablespoons. So imagine if this right here was soy sauce. It's hard to see because it's a yellow bowl. I should have picked a different color bowl. But look. That right there. There's as much salt in that 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, again, as there is in this entire bottle of Tabasco. That's how much salt you're eating when you eat soy sauce.